Alright, so today we're actually going to be going over a new piece of equipment that I just got, a smartwatch from Soundpeats. Just going to be showing you guys what it looks like, and in another video, I'll actually show you what it can do. So let's take a look at it now. Alright, so as you can see, it comes all wrapped up. Let's just open this up here. Got my handy kitchen knife. See this right here? This is state-of-the-art peeling. Gotta just pull this back. There you go. Alright, so now I just have to pull this out. And this should, nope, on this side, should give me access to the watch. And all of the fixings inside. So at first glance, it actually doesn't look too bad. But you know, let me just get a better view. Let me just pull this out here. I'm gonna keep that sticker on. Take this foam out. Take that out as well. There's a little 80% off. Okay, let me show you guys this. Now last piece, you have the user manual. Push that to the side. Okay, show you the first page. At least this will show you what it is, how you can navigate this watch and what kind of features it has, right? And this is the watch over here. Let's just get this out of the way. So, right off the bat, guys, it actually feels kind of cool. Alright, I'll put that over there. Let me, now I'm gonna guess that this is the charger on the inside. Alright. The watch actually feels very light. It really does. And as for the charger now, it's a USB connection, right? With two prongs on the other end. I could already feel that because my finger just ran over it. So this is the USB end. And then these are the two prongs that I was just talking about. You could tell it is magnetic. The prongs are magnetic, not the USB. And that's because it should have to go onto the back of the watch. Let's just pull this back into frame. Alright, so altogether, the three pieces that you get are the watch, which I'll show you guys in a second. I'll give you a better view of what it can do. And then the USB connected charger, and of course the user manual. So I'll just line these up for you, and now let's observe the watch. It has a front sticker on the top of it. There is another sticker right on the main switch that you can just pull off pretty easily. And of course the black adjustable bands, that's the standard color that it comes with. And this way it can fit around any arm size, small, large, right, with the adjusters. And there you see on the back was actually the prongs that is used to place onto the charger. I'm not going to put it on directly right now, but I'll just show you guys. It goes a little further up. I'll show you that in the next video, how you could properly charge this thing. Let me actually just see what it feels like on my hand. Honestly, for a watch of this cost, I mean, I was looking for a smartwatch for a while, right? And I haven't gone into any other features yet, but just on the basis of how this watch feels, it's pretty good. It actually is pretty good. Just on the basis of how it feels. Let me try to see if I could turn this on. Yeah, that's the main switch. Standard operation on these is if I hold it, it should turn on, and there we go. Now, it gave me a barcode that I'm going to have to scan, and that's, it's indicating that I have an app that I have to download. So if I download this app, let's just see what happens here. It turns on, you see the signal Soundpeats. Now, if I were to hold this, let me try to hold it for a few seconds, it begins flashing on the back, and that is an indicator. So you want to keep, this is why you don't want the watch to be too slack. You want it to have some kind of tightness on your arm so that it can get a proper reading of your heart rate. Okay guys, so that's the first video. I'll do a few more of these to actually show what it is that the watch can do once I figure out some of the features. I'm going to go test this out. I'm going to have to use this for a little bit in all actuality, just so I can give it a fair and proper rating before I, just give it an out-of-the-box rating. But if I were to give it a rating right now, I would actually say that it does feel pretty good. Let me know what you guys think if you've ever considered buying this watch. It is from the company called Soundpeats. It is on Amazon. In all honesty, I'm going to have to test this out for a little bit because I am always skeptical with these kind of watches for these prices. And it is a smartwatch. So I'll be with you guys in the next video. That's all I got. Easy.